Hey guys, I'm Tom.
Vickie.
We're with the Carolina Travel Channel, and we are here. I don't actually know what town we're in. If it's a town, it's probably not a town, but it's called Pisgah Inn. It might be I gotta look it up, but I think it's the only actual hotel that's allowed on the Blue Ridge Parkway because it's grandfathered in from a long time ago. This was built in 1919, I believe. So anywho, here in a little while, we're gonna go check out that restaurant up there at the top of the hill, and we'll give you guys a review on it. So stay tuned, right?
Okay.